What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alif, and in this video I want to share with you 5 reasons why you should choose digital marketing as a career in 2021. Now, keep in mind, these 5 reasons are my personal take as to why digital marketing is an awesome space to be in, so do keep that in mind. And let's jump right into point number 1. Point number 1 is that as a digital marketer, you are essentially solving a problem that every business owner and business faces, and that is customer acquisition. Now, no matter who you talk to, which business owner you talk to, every business is going to need customers. So what does that mean for you as a digital marketer? That means first, you're gonna be always in demand, you're gonna be super relevant, and everybody wants someone like you because everybody wants customers. So again, point number 1 is that you are solving the most important pain point for every business, and it's customer acquisition. Point number 2 is, with the whole COVID-19 thing that happened, and with any black swan event that happens, when you are working in digital marketing, you are least affected by these black swan events, whether it's COVID part 2 or whatever it is. Because the truth is, like last point, every business is going to need customers. So let's say COVID part 2 happens and it takes out certain industries. The great thing about you as a digital marketing professional is that you can switch industries. So if you're doing marketing for, let's say, hospitality, but then all of a sudden COVID part 2 happens and then you can't work in hospitality anymore, no problem. You're a digital marketer. You're not like an event planner or like a cruise ship guy, whatever. You're a digital marketer. So that means you can pivot industries and still do digital marketing. So again, point number 2 is that your industry is not affected by black swan events. Point number 3 is the better you are, the better you get paid. And we all want that money, don't we? So what do I mean by this? So let's say your expertise is, SEO. And all of a sudden you become so good at SEO, you are now considered a specialist. Now digital marketing agencies need your skill set because not everyone is a technical SEO specialist like you. Or maybe you create YouTube videos and your video editing skills are absolutely through the roof. Now content creators and content creating agencies and different businesses are gonna need your services because they can clearly see your quality of work is absolutely amazing. So that is the next reason why I love digital marketing as a career, because again, the better you get at it, the more you get paid. Point number 4 as to why you should choose digital marketing as a career in 2021 is that when it comes to digital marketing, there's the perfect blend between creativity and using data and analytics to make decisions. I've worked in digital marketing agencies where we are put into a room and we have to brainstorm our next campaign. And I gotta tell you, the whiteboards, they get filled with all these ideas, and your performance and the success of your role is dependent on how creative you can get with the new video you're about to launch, the new email series you're gonna release, or a new video you're about to get out in the world. A lot of it is really determined based on creativity. So if you're a creative person, this is gonna be perfect for you. But also on the other side, if you are an analytical person and like to make decisions based off of data, this is gonna be the space for you. In my previous roles, I often had to look at a lot of analytics, whether it's the analytics from our YouTube channel or analytics from our podcast or analytics from our blog post. Based on those numbers and what I see, that dictated what our next blog post is gonna be, what topic our next YouTube video is gonna be, what sort of content to release on social media based on engagement rates. So again, I have to use a lot of data sometimes in my role to make decisions about where we need to pivot when it comes to our content strategy, our ad strategy, or working with certain type of influencers. What are their analytics like? Is this influencer getting a lot of engagement compared to this one? Again, what I'm trying to say is it's a perfect blend between creativity and analytical mindset, analytically and data, and creative and data. So if you're into that, just get into digital marketing. Point number 5 is, and maybe I'm just kind of egotistical and that's why I'm saying this, but Point number 5 is that not everyone can be a digital marketer. For example, when it comes to, let's say you're a cashier at Walmart, a lot of people have the skill sets to become a cashier at Walmart. Let's say you want to be an admin assistant or a reception desk person. A lot of people have the skill sets to be in that kind of role. But when it comes to digital marketing, you have to learn and actually do digital marketing and get results before you can call yourself a digital marketer, which means the barrier to entry is much higher. And that's what I love about it, because not everyone can say they're a digital marketer, but if you're a good digital marketer, you will definitely get noticed. So I don't know if that's a good point, bad point. For me, it's a great point. So if you are into that kind of stuff, digital marketing is the perfect place for you. And there you have it, 5 reasons as to why you should choose digital marketing as a career in 2021. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. And hey, if you want more marketing tips from myself, Alif, then feel free to go in the description of this video and sign up to my marketing newsletter for marketing info, tips, advice, all that good stuff, because you already know what a newsletter is because you're in digital marketing. You like digital marketing, right? Anyways, thanks a ton for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, my friend. Peace out.